Hey y'all, my name is Allie and I'm a current student at SFA as well as a student assistant in the Education Advising Center. I will be providing you information on how to schedule an advising appointment with our Navigate system. This tutorial is for the undergraduates in the College of Education Advising Center. If you are a prospective student, returning student, or a newly admitted student, please call our front desk for assistance at 936-468-2901. This system will not allow you to schedule an appointment yourself until you are actively enrolled at SFA. To begin the process of scheduling an appointment, you will log into your My SFA account and click on the Advising tab. Under this tab, you should see your advisor listed and a link that reads Schedule an appointment with your advisor. You will select this link. If there is no link available, you can go to sfasu.campus.eab.com to proceed. The next screen that you will see will look like this. This is our Navigate scheduling tool. On the top right, there's a blue button that reads Schedule an appointment. Click on this button to select your appointment options. On this drop-down, you will select Advising as your type of appointment. You will now see a drop-down option to select your appointment location. All College of Education students should see their advising center listed. After selecting your location, you will need to verify your staff member, which is your assigned advisor. This should auto-generate your current advisor. If you believe this is incorrect, or if you are wanting to meet with a different advisor to change your major, stop here and call our front desk for assistance at 936-468-2901. At this point, you will now be able to browse through available days and times to be seen. Select a designated time that works best with your schedule and then click Next down in the bottom right. If you are struggling to find a time that works, keep in mind that we typically have 2 advisors available daily for drop-in advising from 12 to 1 p.m. These sessions are available same day on a first-come, first-served basis without an appointment. Finally, you will be able to review all of your select options on the confirmation screen. Verify that all of the details are correct, including your phone number at the bottom. If there are any important details you would like to relay to your advisor in advance, type this where indicated. You will need to be sure and click on the blue Confirm Appointment button down on the bottom right before your appointment is finalized. I hope that you found this video tutorial helpful. If you are in need of further assistance, please email your advisor or give us a call at 936-468-2901. Ax and Jax!